Hi guys, we're gonna do an exercise in Excel called multiply. So this exercise is about exploring basic calculation and basic formulas. Okay, so as you can see here, there is an index. Make sure you put your name, student ID, and submission date. I already wrote for you the index and which is related to all the tabs, and we're gonna see how to create the hyperlinks. So I'm gonna click on the first one and I'm gonna do right click and we're gonna write hyperlink, and once this option open, we can select which kind of link we want. If we want like something on the computer, or if you want to do a link inside these documents like this, or otherwise if you want to create a new document, or if you want to put an email address. So in this kind of case, we're gonna say from these documents, this one is the E1 basic sum, so it's gonna be this one there, and I'm gonna press OK. So after we're gonna do the next one. So uh, I click on the next one, right click, hyperlink, and now you can see that once you already selected what you want, it's gonna open the same windows. It's gonna be already are placing this document, so it's gonna be quite quick to insert the hyperlink. So now 3 as well, hyperlink, E3, 4, right click, hyperlink, E4, the next one, right click, hyperlink, and E5, and it's done. And I'm gonna stretching activities. Okay, I'm gonna do the same things here, hyperlink, and this one. Okay, and we got all the links. So after, if you when you're gonna complete the activities, there gonna be other 4 tabs. Just write it on there, uh, like exercise 6, 7, and 8, and after do the link. Okay, so let's see what we need to do here. Okay, so we're gonna start from the exercise 1. So this one we're gonna see how to do a sum calculation. So uh, here is our table. First things we're gonna use the formatting option. So we're gonna select all the table like this, and we're gonna go up on here in home, and we're gonna do the all borders. We do the same things on the next one, all borders, and after we're gonna do the top cell, we're gonna do a gray. There's one there, gonna do gray. Okay, so let's do uh, the calculation. So this one is sum. The formula sum is start with equal like any other formula, and after we're gonna click with the mouse on top of the first uh, number, and after we do plus, and we're gonna click on the second one. And voila. So now we have this one there. We can copy and paste the formula down. So because how it works Excel, it will add up the numbers on the same line. So after this one, it will do the same, and so we can just drag it down like this, and it's done it for you. And after here, we're gonna use our option, fast option, for calculate the fast. We're gonna use this one here. So instead to we could do exactly what we've done now. So this one plus this one plus this one. Otherwise, we can use a formula which is called sum. So we just put the formula sum, open brackets. After you need to select which boxes you want the Excel to add up, close brackets and close. So now it's done. We're gonna do the same things in here. So in this kind of case, we go on top of this one, right click, we do copy, and after we're gonna select with the mouse all of them, and we're gonna do paste, and the formula is the same, it works exactly the same. So now we just need to do the total of this one, which is sum, open brackets, and we're gonna highlight all of them, close brackets, and done. So now you just need to get these numbers here and type it on here. So this one 220, you will write the 220 here. After underneath it will be 112, 145, 99, and 74, and etc. Also, we're gonna go on the next exercise. So let's do this one here. So this one, same principle like before. We do the setting. So we go there on the top, we put all borders. We're gonna do this one as well. We put all borders. Make sure you leave the totals outside, yeah? Okay, and we're gonna do this one in gray and this one in gray, and we do the formula. So same things like before, equal. We're gonna select the first one. So this one is subtraction. So we need to use minus. So minus, you can see here, minus. After select the second one and press OK. So now we click on that and we're gonna drag it down from the corner. Make sure that you see the black cross. And now we're gonna use the formula equal sum, open brackets, and we're gonna calculate the total of these results. Don't worry about if you see the negative results. It's just the exercise done like this. So this one, same again. We're gonna copy the formula from the first one and we're gonna uh, paste it down there. So you can do Control C to copy instead to use right click on the mouse like this. And after you select the cells like this, we done before, and you're gonna paste it. You can do either do like this, paste, or otherwise you can use the shortcut with the keyboard that is Control plus V together. Okay, so here again, we do the total, we can do I'm gonna show you in a shortcut. We're gonna use the auto sum. So when you use this one there, you can see you put the formula sum and automatically and it select the box. In the case, sometimes it doesn't select the right boxes like this. You just need to go with the mouse and select yourself, do the selection yourself like you do when you write the formula. Press enter and it's done. So same things, you're gonna write this number there. So minus 180 and minus 88. To go down, you just need to press the arrow down key on the keyboard and it's gonna work fantastic. Okay, and etc. So just keep doing this task. So we go on the next one, same thing. So this one is about doing multiplication. So we do the formatting like before, this one as well, and this one is gonna go in gray, and this one is gonna go in gray again. Okay, so this one, so we're gonna do multiplication equal. We click on the first one, we press the asterisk for the multiplication, and we click on the second one, and we drag down. After, we're gonna go click on the cell, and we're gonna drag it down to paste. So now let's just use this one that is fast. So you can see it does the selection, press enter, and the sum is done. So now we're gonna copy the formula from here. Control C, we're gonna paste the formula here, and after we can drag down from here. So you're gonna copy and paste the formula inside the cell, and now we just need to do the total using the auto sum, enter, and it's done. So same things, make sure that you're gonna put these values on there. So 4,000 and 1,200, 1,150, 1,520, and 1,200. Perfect, and etc. You're gonna keep doing these ones. So same things. This one we do the divisions. So we're gonna set the boxes again. We're gonna do the table formatting again. So this one gray again, and this one gray again. Okay. So now we start with equal. We're gonna click on the first one. We use the division symbol, so it's this one there, and we select the second cell. We press enter, and we got the results. We're gonna just drag it down from there, and we're gonna do the total using the auto sum again. Press enter and it's done. So we do copy the first one, we paste on there, and we drag it down like this, and after auto sum again, and voila, we done everything. We just need to write this one again, and it's all done. So fantastic. So now we're gonna pass on the next exercise. This one is start to get a bit trickier. So this one is exactly the same like before. We're gonna select this one. We need to do a multiplication. So let's put the formatting like before. Okay, and equal. We're gonna do this one time this one. Perfect. And you got like this. We're gonna copy like this. We're gonna use the auto sum, and we have the results. And now you can see here it tell you correct. So well done. So let's do the next one and let's see what's gonna go wrong. Okay, so let's do this one. Okay, so uh, this one, imagine this one are some prices. Now we're gonna highlight the table again like this, gray again. Okay, so this one is a cost without VAT. Imagine you go to make shopping, you buy, you see the prices without VAT. So after the VAT is a tax that you need to pay on the top, and is 20% of the cost of the item. So for instance, imagine you buy something for uh, um, £1, you need to pay 20 pence extra for the tax. So in total would be £1.20. So now let's calculate here how much it will be the tax of this amount there. So we need to do equal, and we're gonna do this one, and we're gonna add to multiply with that one. So let's multiply. So we're gonna click on the cell there. You can see here I put the things there. I press enter, and now I'm gonna drag it down. Oh, you can see something go wrong here because it gave me 0. So let's see what's happened. See, when you want to check if a formula is wrong, you just need to click on the cell, double click, and after click here on the bar, you can see doing like this, you can inspect the formula. You say B23, which is here, B23 is there, times F20, which is this one here, F20. Okay, so let's see what's happened on the next one. Why did it go wrong? Okay, F24, should be 24, which is this, correct? F21. Oh, you see, we were supposed to put 20, but this one went down 1 and this one went down 1. So all the time we copy and paste the formula, the boxes here, they move one step down, exactly like we moving. So we need to find a formula that is gonna keep this one still. So we want this box to always to be fixed there. Okay, so to do this, we need to use something that is called absolute reference. So we're gonna go back on the original formula. We double click, we click on there. So you see that we're gonna highlight the F20. So to create the absolute reference, so to block something, we need to put the dollar sign before the F and a dollar sign before the 20. So basically, you're gonna say always F. The dollar sign it means always F and always 20. So it means that it always be like this. So to do quick, we could type the dollar sign. Otherwise, we can highlight this one, and we're gonna press the button F4 in the keyboard, and how you can see, it put the dollar sign automatically. So after I press enter, and now let's see if I'm gonna copy and paste the formula again, if it's gonna work. And voila, now you see that it's working, so fantastic. So now we calculate this one, cost with VAT, which is equal this one plus the VAT. And now we're gonna drag down the formula there, and make sure this one is all money. So we're gonna select all of them, and we're gonna go here on the formatting on the top, and we're gonna click on the drop box there, and we're gonna choose accounting. Okay, you can see when you see the asterisk like this, it means that there is not enough space to show the number. So the only things we need to do, we need to go here on the top and just resize the column. So you click on top of the letter B, you're gonna drag the mouse until the letter F, you release, and after, if you just need to go between two letters and click and drag that, so you're gonna resize the column. If you select multiple column like this, all the column is gonna be the same size. So we're done. So last things we need to do, we need to do the total here. We're gonna use the auto sum option, click on the auto sum, enter, and now it's exercise done, and now you can see is correct. Fantastic. So thank you for watching.